Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has gained a lot of attention in the aquarium community. We've found the Brightwell Aquatics FerroxiPhos G, a phosphate control media that has been making waves for its effectiveness in maintaining water quality. If you're interested in checking out the latest price and availability, be sure to look for the link in the description below. So, what exactly is FerroxiPhos G? This product is a granular ferric oxide designed specifically to efficiently remove reactive phosphate from both marine saltwater and freshwater aquariums. Phosphate buildup can lead to issues like algae overgrowth and cloudy water, which is why having a reliable phosphate control method is essential for aquarium enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about some of the most important features of FerroxiPhos G. First and foremost, its granular format allows for direct and efficient phosphate removal, making it a powerful tool in your aquarium maintenance arsenal. Alongside phosphate, it also effectively removes silicate and phosphate-based organic materials from your water, leading to significantly improved clarity, especially in aquariums with a heavy bioload. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who keep populated tanks, where maintaining water quality can be a challenge. One of the standout aspects of FerroxiPhos G is its versatility. It is safe for use in all types of aquariums, including planted tanks and reef systems. This means that whether you are a freshwater enthusiast or a marine reef keeper, you can incorporate this product into your maintenance routine without any worries. So, who is this product suitable for? If you are an aquarium owner struggling with phosphate-related issues, or if you're simply looking to enhance the clarity and overall health of your tank, FerroxiPhos G could be a game-changer for you. It's ideal for those with densely populated aquariums, as well as for hobbyists who want to maintain pristine water conditions for their sensitive aquatic life. In terms of practical use cases, you can incorporate FerroxiPhos G into your filter media or use it in a media bag placed in your aquarium's filtration system. This way, it constantly filters out unwanted phosphates and silicates, allowing your aquarium to thrive. Many users report seeing improvements in water clarity and a reduction in algae growth shortly after beginning to use this product, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to keep their aquatic environment healthy and visually appealing. In conclusion, Brightwell Aquatics FerroxiPhos G is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to control phosphate levels and improve water clarity in their aquariums. Its effectiveness, safety, and versatility make it a must-have for both freshwater and marine hobbyists. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.